So, is the storm finally clearing, or just circling back around? Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, April 23rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. Well, the stock market yesterday bounced back. Big time. The Standard & Poor's 500 jumped more than 1.5%. The Dow gained over 1.5% too, and the Nasdaq led the charge with a gain of about 1.8%. Investors were pretty optimistic early in the day after a Bloomberg report surfaced. Apparently, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent told a closed-door summit that this whole tariff drama with China is unsustainable, and that he expects things to cool off. That kind of talk gave the market some breathing room. But, and there's always a but, those gains started to fade a little by the afternoon. Another report came out saying Bessent had actually told JP Morgan execs that formal talks with China hadn't even started yet, and that negotiations could be a real slog. So yeah, that kind of took the wind out of the sails. And let's not forget what happened Monday. The market tanked after President Trump amped up his attacks on Fed Chair Jerome Powell, stirring more drama between the White House and the central bank. So even though there's hope for a trade truce, there's still plenty of noise keeping investors on edge. On a slightly brighter note, the U.S. is apparently making progress in trade talks with India. Vice President J.D. Vance had a meeting with Prime Minister Modi, and he said things are looking up. Oh! And before the market closed, all eyes were turning to Tesla. The electric car maker was set to drop earnings after the bell. Shares popped around 5% during the session, but let's not forget, Tesla's still down about 40% this year. And yeah, Elon Musk's new role in the White House? That's not helping the brand. That's your market pulse for today. I'm Endrit Sella. Catch you back here tomorrow on Capital Markets Quickie.